All right, getting ready to start our day. Our only full day in Tombstone. Woke up this morning, didn't sleep real well. The bed was uncomfortable. Went to breakfast, got our grab and go bags, which were, I would say, a little more than disappointing. So we're going to leave out early to go get some real breakfast and I guess prep for our day. Get ready to enjoy what Tombstone has to offer as a tourist, absolute tourists today, doing all the things. All right, first thing we're going to do is go get some real breakfast, so maybe we'll see you then. All right, so we reassessed our options, came downtown, drove around a little bit, got the lay of the land, and settled on the Longhorn restaurant, which has been here for over 100 years, 4 generations, and I'm going to have a little breakfast. I'm going to have a breakfast burrito and biscuits and gravy.
I'm gonna have an egg combo, and I'm kind of excited because it's sausage links.
So we're gonna do this, then we're gonna, hopefully things will start opening up because everything's shut down. It's Sunday morning. Things will start opening up and we'll work on, because the first thing we're gonna do is get on the trolley ride and trolley tour. And it's first come, first serve, so hopefully we'll be able to get tickets for that and roll through that. And then we're going to do the OK Corral gunfight. That is a super touristy thing to do. And we've got a few museums to go to, the Birdcage Theater Museum and the Epitaph. So everything in a very small area, because this was a very tiny town, so we're just going to walk around and do all the touristy stuff and, have a good time. One thing we did find was Johnny Ringo's Saloon, so we'll probably be popping in there for a pint later. All right, that's sort of our mini agenda. You'll see it as it happens. Kind of windy here today. Got a desert wind blowing. All right, we got our tickets for the trolley tour. And we got our tickets for the OK Corral. So we're gonna do those things first early, get them out of the way since they're first come, first serve on the schedule. And then we will visit various museums.
Hi there, I'm super
I said, are you ready for a gunfight?
Yeah!
Virgil, we did not contend to get involved in law.
If this town's gonna make it, it's got to have some law and order.
You can't just take this in your own hands, Virgil.
Hey, Bert, listen to reason.
And you're working out on this one.
Bert!
Open the door.
Man, boys, here he is. What about that big dog? Early Bell, Johnny Ringo.
Woo!
There are more cowboys in town, Virgil. Word has it, they're gunning for you. Looks to me like you could use all the friends you could get.
We find those cowboys just fine, Doc.
Well, they're not far from here. They're held up in the empty lot behind the OK Corral on Fremont Street. They look to me for business and boys. They've got guns.
Then we will take those guns away from them. Up your hands, boys. We're here for your guns. Oh, I don't want to.
Don't shoot! I don't have a gun!
I have a gun to get away.
I got one left for you, Holiday.
Nice way, Frank. You're a daisy if you do. You're okay, too. And that, folks, is our show. We hope you enjoyed it.
Ooh, yum. Ooh. It's really spicy. Nice.
What do you think of the world's largest rose tree?
It's so impressive, and I'm thinking as it grew, it was really a daring choice, kind of, that they were like, you know what, we're going to build this stuff to support it, we're going to keep it going rather than pruning it back, replanting, all that stuff. It's amazing.
And we're going to grow this rose bush in the desert.
Yeah.
Gotta say, it's something.
And then they said next month, how did they say, the white roses, and they said about 1 million blooms?
1 million blooms, white roses, and then they call this the Shady Lady. All right, so lunch today is at Puny John's Barbecue right here on 4th Street and Fremont, and it looks delicious. What'd you get?
A got a pulled pork sandwich, spicy mac and cheese, and coleslaw.
And I got puny pie. Was that what it was?
Yeah, puny pie.
Puny John's pie. And it is a pound of brisket, mac and cheese, and baked beans.
The mac and cheese is spicy.
Very interesting flavors. Not like the normal ones I get. Interesting combination because you have really sweet beans
I'm gonna get some sauce.
and spicy macs, and then very nicely seasoned brisket in between. So it's very interesting mix of flavors. Gotta say I do love it.
Floors in the herbs. Plant McLaury's Doc Holliday, Buckskin Frank Leslie, and every other Western legend that walked the dusty streets of Tombstone. The Birdcage Theater is the only original built left on Elm Street from 1881.
How long were you in Alaska?
13 years.
How's it going? The end of day 5. We have spent the day in Tombstone. Very touristy day.
Full day.
So we got up a little early, had a really
Sad.
sad breakfast here at the hotel, consisting of a small apple, 4 crackers, a banana muffin, teeny tiny, and a tiny bottle of water. Yeah, not so great. So we went out and had breakfast at the Longhorn restaurant, right in the middle of downtown Tombstone.
Really tasty sausage links.
Good stuff. And then we got on the trolley. Had a nice tour. It was great. Followed that up with... What did we do then? We went and...
We did.
The cool Historiama.
Oh my God, that was the best.
So there's no video of that. They wouldn't have let us video that. But let me explain that a little. That was super cool. So it was like a diorama, which in case you guys don't know what that is, it's like a 3-dimensional model. But they had it light up and you know, they narrated the history of Tombstone, and on the stage with this big kind of circular pyramid shaped 3-dimensional display, and they would light up different sections of it, and then a screen would come down and they would show a little bit of a video, and while that video is going, it turned the diorama 90 degrees, and when the screen went back up, it had a different display.
And the various things that would then, like the little characters that would respond in the diorama.
Little moving characters, like in a clockwork kind of thing. Super cool. So basically the history of Tombstone. That was awesome.
And narrated by Vincent Price.
Narrated by Vincent Price. And then we went through and looked at a few things around the museum portion of the OK Corral, and then watched the OK Corral gunfight show. Super touristy, super cheesy, kind of fun. Follow that up with a visit to the Rose Tree Museum. Super cool. Followed that up with a visit to the Gunfighter Hall of Fame, where we saw some of
Johnny Ringo's stuff.
personal effects, things he had in his pockets when he was found dead. Clearly was not robbery because he had money and whatever. So Victoria thinks.
I think it was suicide.
Yeah, we think so. He was troubled. After that, then we went to Puny John's barbecue, which we actually expected a lot better of. It was okay. I've had better barbecue in Maryland.
Oh yeah.
So it was okay. That's all I got to say. Then we wandered down and went to the Birdcage Theater, which was super duper interesting. And finally, a storm kind of rolled in, so we had a lot of wind, a lot of dust storms, and then it started raining. So we booked it on back to the hotel and pretty much finished our day.
But we went to the Johnny Ringo's bar.
Oh yeah, we did pop by Johnny Ringo's saloon on the way back as well. So that was cool. Very full day, lots of things going on. I had a lot of fun. What about you?
Oh, absolutely. It was a good one.
I think we did most everything in Tombstone we wanted to do. We did not do Boot Hill. We just didn't have time, and when it started raining, it was just not.
I feel like there was even something we left out that we did today.
What?
You said we did the trolley.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't think.
If there's something I didn't mention, you probably would have already seen it in the video content. So maybe I'll put a little text thing down here.
Little blurb.
So anyway, so we're back at the hotel. It's a little early. That's cool. We're gonna get some rest because our feet and legs were hurting after all that activity today.
And it's like almost 9 o'clock Eastern time. So
Yeah, we're trying to work on getting back on track because we're going to be going home soon. So anyway, that's it for today.
very fun and full, exciting day.
Got another big day tomorrow, mainly of car travel. We'll save the surprise for what it's going to be until the morning. So we'll see you, I guess, then.
Bye.
Bye.